bike. Got him kitted up with some new boots. He's got the full setup.
Yep.
He says he's gonna start this bike by himself and that he already knows how to ride.
Yep. Okay. Wait, I'm holding it.
Get him unloaded.
I'm gonna I'm pointing it at you. Why is it off?
The screen just turns off. It's still running. See? It's still running.
Which one is it? This one? Oh, it's that one?
Yep, be careful, don't fall over.
I'm gonna get over here because it's hard for me. Trying to put my boot up. I cannot do it because my boots are too heavy.
Well, you don't start it from that side. You'll throw your leg over it.
I can't do it. I was just gonna try. How you stop?
Yeah, that's how you stop. You gotta put your foot up. Put your foot up here. You reach your toe over and you push down. Okay?
That made me fall.
You okay?
Yeah.
You'll have to shift it up again, okay? bring any snacks, but I brought water.
Okay.
And then you can eat whatever when we get home, okay?
Okay.
You're doing so good.
Yeah. I guess I'm running than you.
Yeah, you're going way fast.
Yep. Faster than you.
You okay? Hold on.
I keep falling.
Good job.
Now we're falling again.
You okay?
Yeah. I'm stuck.
You okay? You good?
Yeah. Now I'm
Why'd you go in the